Good morning, students. Last we had started with active and passive voice, right? And I had sent you a video which was explaining up to simple past. So let us start further. How to convert active from passive into simple past. Active voice. A very old friend helped me. Passive. I was helped by a very old friend. Did he violate any traffic rules? Were any traffic rules violated by him? Where did you find this beautiful shell? Where was this beautiful shell found by you? Active voice. Past tense of the verb helped, right? Help का helped हो जाता है. Active voice में हम लोग ये use करते हैं. But in passive voice, what do we use? Was, were plus past participle form of the verb, that is helped, right? Was helped. Okay. So now further, let us move on to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with passive form of verbs in simple past tense. A revised date sheet dash was by the principal. Announce का form लिखना है, so was announced. Then number 2, the board results were declared last evening. Radium was discovered by Madame Curie. Madame Curie was a scientist, right? So number 4, the annual sports meet of our school was held in the first week of November. Now just go through this 5, 6, 7, 8. I have written the answers there itself. Let us do one question so that it becomes how to make a question in passive voice. When dash color television dash in India introduced? When was color television introduced in India? Okay, now I have paused it for enough time. You can pause the video and write down the answers if you want. Let us move on to exercise 4. Exercise 4, change these sentences from active to passive voice. Number 1, we cheered our team enthusiastically. Our team was cheered by us, right? Enthusiastically. Or our team was enthusiastically cheered by us. Then next one, they welcomed the guests warmly. The guests were warmly welcomed by them. One of my friends helped me to complete the project. I was helped by one of my friends to complete the project. Mrs. Malik did not send the application on time. The application was not sent on time by Mrs. Malik. Now 5, 6, 7, you will do it as homework, right? And I'm just focusing it on the answer key, so that there should not be any confusion. I'm pausing it for 2 to 3 seconds. You can pause the video here and write down the answers if you have any confusion. Okay, now let us move on to simple future. Simple future tense. How do you change active to passive, right? Let us learn that. I will buy the tickets in advance. The tickets will be bought in advance. Will you help me? Shall or will I helped by you? Active voice. Shall or will plus root form of the verb, that is will by. Passive voice. Shall be or will be past participle form of the verb, that is will be bought. Okay, now exercise 5, let us move on to it. This is the form of a passive voice. Just underline the forms of passive voice which are being used in different tenses. आप heading लगा के नीचे लिख सकते हो. Simple past में you use this, in simple future you use this. Right, so these are the rules which you should basically remember when converting it from active to passive. So exercise 5, fill in the blanks with passive form of verbs in simple future tense. Number 1, these roads will be widened very soon, right? Widen का form हमें use करना है, so we'll be using will be widened. Will be is future tense, right? Okay, then further, I am sure all these conditions dash fulfill, will be fulfilled. The lead role will be played by an eminent South Indian actor. Now 4, 5 and 6, I have written the answers. You can just note it down in your textbook. They are fill in the blanks. Now let us move on to exercise 6. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Number 1, we shall grow apples in this orchard. उसको हमें convert करना है, right? So apples will be grown in this orchard by us, right? By us लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. All the news channels will telecast the Prime Minister's address. The Prime Minister's address will be telecast by all the news channels. I shall set up a new factory at Pavarno. A new factory will be set up by me at Pavarno. Right? Now 4, 5 and 6 you will do it on your own. I am just focusing it on the answer key here. First one, apples will be grown in this orchard by us. लिखा है तो भी सही है, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. The Prime Minister's address will be telecast by all news channels. The new factory will be set up by me at Pavarno. And 4, 5, 6 is this. I'm just pausing it for 2 to 3 seconds. You can pause the video here with and write down the answers. Now we shall move on to the next exercise. Okay. Now it is present continuous, right? Present continuous form में आप कैसे active to passive करोगे, that we shall learn. Somebody is knocking at the door. The door is being knocked at. Next one, why are they bothering me? Why am I being bothered? Active voice is are am plus ing form of verb is knocking, right? ing form of verb हमने use किया है present continuous tense में. So that is the active form. And in passive what we do is are am plus being को add करते हैं plus past participle form of the verb, that is being knocked. Verb का past participle form हो जाता है when you are talking about some sentence which was present continuous in active and you convert it into passive, right? So let us solve the exercise. Exercise 7, fill in the blanks with passive form of verbs in the present continuous tense. Arrangements dash for an inter-school debate competition make, right? Are being made. Arrangements are being made for an inter-school debate competition. Teams dash from all reputed schools invite. Are being invited. Then the sound system in the auditorium dash improve is being improved. Then a new super specialty hospital dash in our city build. A new super specialty hospital is being built. Sophisticated machines dash from the USA import, right? Sophisticated machines are being imported. Now research dash out in Ayurveda also is being carried. Research is being carried out in Ayurveda also. Dash it dash by the specialist in field guide, right? Is it being guided by specialists in the field? Who is it being financed? Who is it being financed by? Okay. Then next is exercise 8. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Number 1, the boys are flying kites. Kites are being flown by the boys. They are fixing banners everywhere. Banners are being fixed by them everywhere. By them लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. A special police team is investigating the case. The case is being investigated by a special police team, right? Now 4, 5 and 6 you will do it in homework. I am focusing on the answer key. 4, 5 and 6. If you want, you can pause the video here and write down the answers. I have paused it for 2 to 3 seconds. Now let us move on to the further this thing, that is past continuous. How to convert active to passive in past continuous tense, that we shall learn now. The students were decorating the class display board, that is in active. The class display board was being decorated by the students, that is passive. Why was the police checking all the cars? Inactive. Why were all the cars being checked? By the police भी बोल सकते हो, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Active voice, was, were plus ing form of verb, that is continuous tense है तो ing form of verb तो आएगा ही, और past है तो was, were is our supporting verb that we use, right? Were decorating if it is more than one. And passive, was, were plus being plus past participle form of the verb, was being decorated, right? Now we shall move on to exercise 9.